Traveling for me brings out my adventurous, risk-taking side. I still push myself. My name is Jeremy Irvine, and I'm an actor. I'm quite utilitarian with my packing. I like to make a list. I like to be very precise. It's just about keeping things simple. It makes packing easier and makes life easier. It's always good to have at least one coat with you, and I think that's the British person inside me, wanting to always be prepared for rain. A lot of my wardrobe is made up of blacks and whites and dark blues, but every now and again it's fun to throw something a bit colourful in there. I always make sure I have a good pair of trousers as well. It just gives you a kind of cleaner, crisper kind of look for those smarter occasions. I travel a lot for work, find myself getting on planes at least 10 times a year. But I also love traveling for fun. The most sort of genuine experiences I have are the ones which I don't plan. Yeah, it's nice to have a bit of variety.